All conveyor systems experience some level of product spillage and build-up, and spillage can be a constant issue for operators, often leading to expensive breakdowns, downtime and wastage. The traditional method of clearing spillage using vacuum recovery creates a range of problems. It is manual handling intensive and generally involves working in close proximity to belts. Personnel are required to handle and control vacuum hoses of up to 12-inch diameter as spill product is washed towards the hose using high-volume, high-pressure water. The process can use hundreds of thousands of litres of precious and expensive process water, creating severe drainage problems and leaving sites a muddy quagmire. Vacuum recovery is also slow and inefficient, with more than 70% of the vacuum tank generally occupied by water. It requires the establishment and maintenance of drying out ponds and dams to remove the water from the recovered product. And on most sites, shutdowns and isolations are required due to the proximity of personnel to the conveyor systems. While alternate methods including remote-controlled devices have made their way to the marketplace, none have offered a fully practical solution until now. The Oreclean Recovery System provides operators with a highly efficient and cost-effective method for clearing ore spillage and waste build-up with a number of vital production and safety benefits. Using the unique Oreclean system, ore is recovered in a dry state using a telescopic rake machine or TRM, purpose-designed and built by Oreclean. There's no need for pressurised water, vacuum trucks or drying out ponds. Oreclean's TRMs are built around a standard Bobcat E55T hydraulic excavator retrofitted with a custom-designed telescopic boom. The system eliminates the need for interaction between personnel and rotating equipment within the lanyard area and, subject to site-specific QHSE requirements and procedures, the full recovery process can be undertaken on operating conveyors. The TRM is 5 times faster than a remote-controlled unit and more than 20 times faster than a vacuum truck. In fact, one TRM typically replaces a fleet of several trucks. For Oreclean's trained operators, the process is relatively simple. The boom is extended while the machine is stationary, with none of the bouncing or jerking associated with fixed rakes on skid steer loaders, and there are no rotating parts. The design allows the machine to maintain a low compact footprint while maintaining an effective reach of over 5.8 metres, enabling the recovery of ore from parallel belts where access is only possible from one side. Spilled ore is raked from under the conveyors and structures into a windrow parallel to the belt and collected with a skid steer loader or small front-end loader and tipping truck. It can be collected and stockpiled immediately in a dry state, ready for reprocessing or repurposing. The recovery process is continuous and areas surrounding the conveyor systems are quickly and easily returned to and maintained at formation levels, leaving behind smooth flat surfaces with full clearance to the underside of rollers and belts. The built-for-purpose Oreclean TRM has been designed to maximise efficiency and operational safety. There are 3 7-inch colour video screens in the operator's cabin. 2 are connected to cameras on each side of the boom, delivering direct line of sight to the rake head, while the 3rd takes a feed from the rear-mounted camera. This gives operators excellent all-round visibility and safety. Cabin-mounted lights and 2 1,000 lumen LED floodlights on the boom allow for safe night operation and improve visibility during low light and shaded daytime operations. An adjustable pullback pressure limiting device on the hydraulics ensures that in the event of operator error, such as the blade contacting the frame leg or footing, the hydraulic system will bypass long before any disturbance or damage to the legs, footings, or the alignment of the belt. The machine uses 2 standard blade sizes, 1500mm for bulk open areas and a 900mm blade which allows access to the tightest and most delicate areas. There are also 2 blades designed specifically for areas where concrete is present under the spillage. These incorporate a bolt-on nylon cutting edge to prevent wear and damage to the concrete surface. The machine's tilting function allows the blade to be rotated up to 15 degrees in either direction for neat cleaning and levelling in areas where either the base material under the spillage or the track where the machine is situated is sloping or uneven. Oreclean is a highly specialised contracting company with comprehensive quality health, safety and environmental management systems underpinning its operations. Its Oreclean recovery system provides operators with a safe, efficient and cost-effective solution for the removal of conveyor product spillage. All Oreclean operators are required to be highly skilled and experienced plant operators prior to undertaking a rigorous training and assessment program to qualify as competent to work near conveyors and structures. The Oreclean system can be deployed with trained operators to any operation where a safe and reliable solution for the recovery of spilled ore and the efficient maintenance of conveyor surrounds is required. Oreclean is currently in the design phase of development for a semi-trailer sized portable dry magnetic separation plant which will enable stockpiles of dry recovered ore to be processed and returned to sale-grade ore. Once completed, tested and commissioned in early 2015, the unit will periodically travel to various sites to process the recovered ore stockpiles. This will mean that spilled product can be processed on-site, enabling operators to avoid the disposal and transport costs normally associated with spilled product. Processed product will be batched, sampled and tested in line with industry best practice by either the operator's on-site facilities or third-party laboratories prior to being returned to stockpiles, allowing operators full confidence that reprocessed product will not contaminate shipments or stockpiles. The Oreclean Recovery System, from Oreclean, a division of Langley Solutions.